In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Code to create, run, and debug code projects. First, open the Claude Code website or app. If you're new, create an account, otherwise sign in with your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on a clean workspace designed for writing and running code with AI help built right in. Start by clicking New Project or New File. A project is great if you plan to have multiple files, while a single file is perfect for quick scripts or small experiments. Next, choose your programming language. Python, JavaScript, and several others are available. If you're unsure, Python is a friendly choice for beginners and quick utilities. Give your file a clear, descriptive name, like main.py for Python. Good names make it easier to navigate your work later. Now you're in the editor, and you can begin typing code immediately. You have two options: write code manually or ask Claude to generate it for you. For example, you might say, write a Python script that reads a text file and prints lines containing error. Claude will draft the code in your chosen language, and you can review and adjust as needed. You can also ask for improvements or explanations right in the editor. Try prompts like optimize this code, fix the errors, or explain what this function does. Claude will update the code for you and provide reasoning, which is helpful for learning and refining your approach. As you iterate, skim the changes to ensure they align with your intent and coding style. When you're ready to test, click the Run button at the top. The console window will open to show your program's output. Give it a moment. Some programs take a little time to start. If everything works, you'll see the expected output right away. If there are errors, don't worry. Read the error message in the console carefully. It often points to the exact line and issue. Then ask Claude, why am I getting this error? Claude will explain what's happening and suggest specific fixes. Apply the changes, run again, and repeat until the program behaves as expected. This loop of running, reading, asking, and refining is the fastest path to stable, understandable code. When you're done, click Export